Good afternoon, sir. Today's topic is inheritance in a Java. So, inheritance is a Java. It is a mechanism in which one object acquires all properties and behavior of a parent class that is another object, and it is also OOPS concept. Then inheritance presenter is a relationship and also known as a parent child relationship. Many terms used in a inheritance like a child, subchild, parent class. It is called also superclass and reusability. So first, a child class, a class which is a object which have a common properties of a parent class. It is a template, sorry, a class, it is a object of, which have a common properties, and it is a also template of a blueprint. Is a known as a class. Then subclass is a class which inherits in a other class that is a parent class. It is also called as a derived class, extend class, and child class. Then superclass is a class from where a subclass inherits the feature. It is also called as a base class or parent class, that is known as a superclass. Then reusability. So the term reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you have to reuse the fields and method of a existing class, is known as a reusability. Then syntax of a Java inheritance is a class subclass name ABC, like a ABC extend superclass name is a PQR, and in that methods and fields. Then in a inheritance there are five types: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, then hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Then example of a inheritance. Suppose one class employee, in that salary, float salary is equal to 4,000. Then another class programmer, extend class employee, in that we declare a bonus is equal to 1,000. Then in that main method, so in main method we create a one object, programmer P is equal to new programmer. Then system in CISO program, we print a programmer salary, then programmer bonus. So output is a programmer salary is a we declare in that 4,000, and a bonus is a additional bonus is equal to 4,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 5,000. And then types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid. So we discuss one by one. Single inheritance. In a single inheritance, one class extend to another class. When a class inherits another class is known as a single inheritance. Example of a single inheritance, like class A and class B. Suppose class A extend to class B, it is called as a single inheritance. Then second is a multiple inheritance. An example of a single inheritance: suppose class 1 animal and class second is a dog. So class animal, in that we print a CISO, in CISO eating, and class dog. So class dog extend class animal, in that we print a barking. So method we create a new object, and print the two method. So class A extend to class B, so output is a barking and eating. Then multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance when means when there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as a multi-level inheritance. Take example: class A, class B, class C. So class A extend to class B, then class B extend to class C. It is a chain of inheritance. That's why it is called as a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, suppose one example of a multi-level inheritance. uh, class animal, so in that class animal we write same previous example eating. Then class dog extend to class animal, so in that we write barking. Then class baby dog, so class baby dog extend to class D, means class A, class B, class C. So class A extend to class B, class B extend to class C. Then main method, we create an example of class C. So baby dog D is equal to new baby dog. Then we write a three C statement: D dog D dog the D dot bark and D dot eat. The output is a weeping, barking, and eating. That it is a also called as a chain of the inheritance. It is a chain of inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means when two or more classes inherits one single class is known as a hierarchical inheritance. It is also example of a hierarchical inheritance. Same as a previous example, class animal. So class animal, in that we write a scissor statement eating. So then D, the class dog extend class animal. Then another we create a class cat also extend class animal. So in that we write some scissor statement. Then we create a main class test inheritance. So in that public in main method class sorry cat C is equal to new cat. Then we write a C dot meow and C dot eat method. In that output is a meowing and eating. Means when two or more subclasses extend parent class. In that example, a dog and cat class inherit same as the animal class. So there it is a hierarchical inheritance. Then multiple inheritance, but multiple inheritance, Java does not support multiple inheritance because they reduce the complexity and simplify the language. Suppose there are three classes: class A, class B, and class C. The class C inherits A and B classes if A and B classes have the same method, and you call it from the child class object. Then there is a ambiguity. There it is a ambiguity required to call the classes A and B. Then compile time error occurs in the runtime errors. The Java does not Java renders compile time error. Then it in this scenario ambiguity is occurred. That's why no, multiple inheritance does not support in a Java. Then also hybrid inheritance does not support in a Java. And take another example for class multi-level inheritance. Suppose class A, in that we write a statement, SISO statement in a addition, add the two numbers. Then class B extend class A, and class C also extend class A. Then in main statements, we write in main statements public static void string arguments. In that we create a object of a B class, that is a class B is equal to addition method. So output is only add the two numbers because we call the second method. That's why object call the second number. And on the basic of a class, there are three types of main inheritance: single, multiple, and hierarchical. And Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is only supported through interface, and in they are not supported in a Java. They are supported in a only interface. And and terms inheritance like a class, subclass, child class, superclass, parent class, reusability. This term is mainly used in inheritance. Thank you.